Hello everyone, welcome to Sock Mantra and welcome to another video of the CCNA lab. And in this video, we will learn about how to create an extended VLAN and how to assign interfaces to the VLANs. So without wasting any time, let's go to the lab tasks or lab objectives. Here I will be taking two switches and I will be creating four VLANs and assign the interfaces accordingly. And the lab tasks are assign the host name to a switch, configure the no, I'm sorry, this will be configure extended VLANs and convert normal switch ports to access ports and assign the interfaces to the VLANs and verify the VLAN information. So without wasting any time, let's go to Cisco Packet Tracer and configure the lab. I'll be taking two switches. I will name this as switch 1. I will name this as switch 2. Let me connect the switches. And what is the lab objective? Assign hostname to the switch. Let me go to the CLI of the switch. Enable configure terminal. Hostname SW1. Exit. Let me go to the other switch. Enable configure terminal. Hostname SW2. Exit. And first task is completed. Let's configure extended VLANs. Let me go to the switch 1. Configure terminal. And what is the VLAN? The VLAN ID is 1010. Let me put in the command VLAN 1010. Oops, you can see we are not able to create VLAN 1010. Why? Let's check it. Let's exit out of the configuration mode. Show VLAN brief. What does it show? It shows that we can configure up to 1005 VLANs. Let us try to create once again VLAN 1010. What does the error say? Fail to create VLANs 1010 extended VLANs not allowed in current VTP mode. So what is VTP mode? Let's see what is VTP mode and why it is not allowed. Show VTP status. You can see the VTP operating mode is server and we cannot create extended VLANs when the VTP operating mode is server or client. There are three VTP operating modes. The modes are server, client, and transparent. And we can only create when the VTP mode is in transparent. We cannot create on VTP mode server or VTP mode client. What exactly is VTP? VTP is VLAN trunking protocol, which carries VLAN information from one switch to another switch. So let me change the, so let's test it. Let's test it when you see VTP operating mode server. Let's make it to VTP mode client. Now the device is set to VTP client mode and let's try to create VLAN 1010. You can still see VTP VLAN configuration not allowed when the device is in client mode. So we came to know that we cannot create extended VLANs on VTP mode server and VTP mode client. So let's convert into VTP mode transparent. Now the device is set to transparent mode. Now let's try to create VLAN 1010. Wow. Now you are able to create VLAN 1010. Now we are able to create extended VLANs. So we cannot create extended VLANs on VTP client mode and VTP server mode. We can only create extended VLANs on the VTP transparent mode. We will see more on the VTP modes and VTP labs in our coming labs. So as of now, let us create extended VLANs. So VLAN 1010, name is sales. So the command is name sales, exit VLAN 2020. The name is HR, name HR, exit VLAN 3030, name engineer, exit VLAN 4040, name IT, exit. Now we have configured the extended VLANs. The other task is convert normal switch ports to access ports, as we have done in our previous lab, and fast Ethernet 0/5 to 6 will be assigned to VLAN 1010. So as we are having multiple interfaces, the command is interface range fast Ethernet 0/5 to 6 switch port mode access, converting the port to access port, and defining switch port access VLAN 1010. So assigning the port to the VLAN. Exit interface range fast Ethernet 7 to 8 will be assigned to 2020. Interface range 0/7 to 8 switch port mode access switch port access VLAN 2020, enter, exit. Interface range fast Ethernet 0/9 to 10, 9 to 10, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 3030, exit. Interface range fast Ethernet 0/11 to 12 switch port mode access switch port access VLAN 4040, exit. Exit. Let me save the configuration. Now we have assigned interfaces to the VLANs. Now let's verify the VLAN information on the switch. The command is show VLAN brief. Enter. You can see VLAN 1010 is assigned to fast Ethernet 0 and 5 and 6. VLAN 2020 is assigned to fast Ethernet 0/7 to 8, and the engineering VLAN is assigned to 9 and 10. The IT VLAN is assigned to 11 and 12. In this way, we can configure extended VLANs. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos or more labs like this. Thank you, and you have a good day. See you in the next video.